Alright guys, so in this video I tagged this video your coin balance may be useless. Okay, so why do I really say that? If you observe right here, I have over 800 and something coins right here, and my profit per hour is 4.33 million, right? And I'm in Lord level. So right now, why or will I say the reason why we actually accumulated our coin balance right here is for the sake of getting our level to the next level, right? Because in order to enter the next level, let's say from level 1 to this very moment, you need this coin balance in order to upgrade your level to the next level. So okay, so right now the question is, do you really think this coin balance is useless? I will answer that question in this video. Okay, so if you're watching this video, I will advise you to watch this video to the very end, because few days from now Hamster Kombat will be listed, and if you don't get to know this, I think this may actually affect the size of your airdrop. So pay attention to this video guys. And please, before I continue, if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Starry, and here I give updates on how to make money online, and also I give updates on anything revolving cryptocurrency and airdrop latest update. So if you are watching my video, consider being a subscriber here on this channel, and also if you have been watching my video for a long time and you haven't done that, please consider joining my YouTube community. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in today's video. Alright, so to continue from where I stopped, if you are already in Lord level and you are still stocking your coins right here, just like me right here, because I am also stocking my coin balance, which I am going to do the needful immediately after this video. Now what do I mean? This is something a lot of us, like, we are totally confused about this. So if I head over to the airdrop menu right here, and this is it, then I go to points. This is something we are very much confused about. I mean, the very first one there, which is passive income. So this passive income is one of the things which we need to understand right here, because I think we have been misunderstanding this. Meanwhile, this is based on my own observation. Okay, so just in case you think it is not so, okay, you are also correct. So what is this passive income? If I click on this info and you come over to here, so here they say the golden rule of a successful business is that it should work for you. Invest your in-game currency and make sure your exchange mines more assets for you. Okay, so from the very last paragraph there, which says invest your in-game currency, I don't know if you get that point, in-game currency, and make sure your exchange mines more assets for you. Alright, so let's go back. Let me explain what we mean by passive income to your understanding. Okay, so if I go back to the home page right here, you can see this is our profit per hour. Okay, why profit per hour is very, very important? This is where we get our passive income. Okay, we make from a profit per hour, we get what we call passive income. When you go offline, all right, let me say for example I close this, then come back again. So you can see these coins right here, 160k. Okay, so this is our passive income, the coins which you are accumulating from your profit per hour. Okay, I don't know if you are getting my point. The work of profit per hour is to mine you more coins while you are offline. And I know a lot of you may be asking this question, where does the passive income goes to? When we claim it, it reflects here. That is our coin balance right here. But I want you to understand one thing here. So if I come over to this achievement right here and I scroll down, so this is where the whole thing comes in. I have seen a lot of persons saying you should not use your coin balance right there, that it is very, very important. So now let me make you understand something from here. This particular spot, collect coins. Now why you may think this collect coins is the numbers of coins you are seeing right here on your coin balance, that is absolutely wrong. Okay, now I don't know if you noticed something like this. I don't know if you noticed When I first entered this 1.5 billion coins right here, I was below 1 billion then. Now the question is, I know some of you might have noticed that you unlock this 1.5 billion coins right here even when you were not up to 1 billion on your coin balance right there. Now this is it. Why you are accumulating more coins, either from tapping, from performing tasks, and any other activities parameter right there. One thing you need to understand is that those coins you accumulate from your profit per hour while you are offline, that is what you are seeing here. If you come online, you claim your coins, the passive income, what you are making from your profit per hour. Okay, so once we claim it, don't forget we are still reinvesting it. All right, so if I come online, I claim my coin, then from the coins I claim, I will still use it to increase my profit per hour. That simply means I am still reinvesting. Okay, so those coins we are reinvesting is counting here as our passive income. All right, so you may be having, okay, if I may just say this, our passive income it's a kind of invisible. Yes, it's a kind of invisible. This is something we are not seeing there on our dashboard. And how do we know our passive income? This is where you know your passive income. So far I have gotten more than 1.5 billion coins right here on Hamster Kombat. And if I come over to 15 billion, if I click on it, you can see this simply means 0.01% users have been able to achieve that so far. Guys, I don't know if I am communicating. So our passive income are those coins you make from your profit per hour while you are offline. That is where you get your passive income. Your passive income is not really this profit per hour right here. So let's know the difference, profit per hour and a passive income. All right, so to finalize this, you make passive income from your profit per hour. That makes you a wise investor. Okay, so even Hamster Kombat, they actually said we should invest wisely. They keep asking us to increase your profit per hour. The more you increase your profit per hour, the chance you have to increase your passive income. All right, so now that is not all. Now the question right now, Hamster Kombat, if you observe this, you can see season 1 of Hamster Kombat will be ending on 20th. That simply means from 20th, or okay, let's say that simply means after 20th, anything you are doing right here on this app will not be counted. Now the question is, should I use my coin balance right here to increase my profit per hour? That is a very big question now. Why a lot of persons may be telling you not to let your coin balance below the lot level, the level where you are. Let's say, for example, if you are at the lot level, you will need to maintain the coin balance, that is the 1 billion coin balance that actually took you there. But what if I tell you that is totally wrong? Yes, Hamster Kombat, this coin balance has nothing to do with the Hamster Kombat token criteria. Okay, so if you eventually leave your coin balance right here after 15, just know you are wasting everything. All right, so since everything is gonna end on the 20th, this is my advice. Make sure before then you use your coin balance right here to do the following. I know right now your attention is only on the profit per hour. Meanwhile, the profit per hour is not the only criteria for Hamster Kombat token. Okay, we still have other things right here. You can see the skins, so make sure you are also investing on the skins right here. Okay, and also there is something here which I am thinking, I don't know if you are thinking the same. So if I go over to my profit per hour, you can see the thing, what they need here is 3 million, from 3 million, and they have ticked everything. Yeah, so that simply means what they actually need is 3 million. Okay, yeah, I don't know if you are getting my point. Even if I have more than 3 million, okay, so we still have to do it because we don't really know. But as long as you have gotten up to this 3 million, I think you are good to go. Okay, so make sure you pay attention to other stuffs right here, like upgrading your cards, buying more skin, and the rest of them. Okay, so that is it in this video, guys. If you're watching this video and you are still having the doubt that, or you feel like you don't want to use your coin balance, that is left for you. As for me, on the 20th or before 20th, I'll make sure I use this coin balance right here to invest on my passive income and other things here. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video, and please, if you have watched this video to this moment and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video like this, you'll be notified. And also, for early access to updates like this, consider joining my Telegram channel. I'm gonna leave the link right there in the description. So thank you, and see you in my next video.